that much back. And then we shake out. Then we inhale, stretch out the arms, and we shake out. Elbows pressed towards each other.
For example, by doing this exercise, wiggle a little bit with your head.
And gently stretch out your legs. And then the feet the same thing, so it's not like that. I'm exaggerating now. So just like that. Open. Exhale. Then you bring the toes in the mat and push yourself up. And now you feel how stiff the hamstrings actually are. If you bring the feet closer, you are like that. But the idea is like that. Inhale on both toes. Also a shoulder opening and the armpits opening. And slowly, 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 slowly. The hands for the swan. Yeah, it's always the animal names. You inhale again and you come to the center. And then of course we need to switch. Yeah. Sphinx so is the easy cobra, or is the yin form of cobra, we could say. Otherwise we have upward dog, and it's another pose. Well, actually the correct cobra is like this. Even I'm not able to do it yet. We're going to do something for the lower back. Lift your right foot off the mat. Yes. You can let go of the hands. Shake it out. Relaxation. Posture for relaxation. So what you're saying is now, okay, give me energy. And then you might use your ring finger around the eyes, eyebrows included. Head on the mat, yeah. Don't push yourself. Relax, relax. And then, if you can. Thank you. Namaste, everyone.